Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. These are the tools that you guys are going to need. All you're going to need is some scissors, an eyebrow brush, tweezers, and an eyebrow razor. So as you can see, I'm just brushing my hairs up and then I'm going to trim them at the top, and if I need to trim them at the bottom, I just brush the hairs down, but I didn't really need to do that, so I skipped that step. So once I'm done trimming my eyebrows, I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor and start to shave the hairs on the top of my brow off. In the next clip, you'll see that I position myself differently and I'm pulling my skin taut to make sure that I'm not going to cut myself, and it helps me get the hairs a little bit better. It's way more precise that way. So just make sure you're in a comfortable position when doing this, because you can easily shave your eyebrows off, and sis, like, that's not the goal. So just make sure you're being careful and super precise. I already know the shape that I'm going for. I've been doing my own eyebrows for a long time now, so I just use a combination of the razor and tweezers, and I like this way better than getting my eyebrows waxed, just because I feel like it looks much cleaner and put together.
You already know how a young nigga do. I'm a whippy boy and you know that. Like the way she throw that ass and like the way she roll that. Throw that by the ounce of Henny, go ahead and pull that. Get that pussy from the back, she like give me some more that. Replace potential, that they got potential. I been getting money, I be fucking up a mental. Yeah, owning on my wrist, bitch, I'm never in the rental. Shawty, you should come over, just make it plain and simple. Yeah, we could do what you like. Girl, you looking right. Only for the night, we can have some fun. Give it to you right. Girl, I'm real polite. When you wanna fight, rock your world like Mike. We could do what you like. Girl, you looking right. Only for the night, we can have some fun. Give it to you right. Girl, I'm real polite. When you wanna fight, rock your world like Mike.
So I'm moving on to my next brow, and all you have to do is repeat the same steps that I did the first time. This brow is a little bit different than the other one, so that's why I'm lining up the razor with my brows to just make sure one isn't like too thick than the other one. But you know, eyebrows are sisters and not twins, so that's okay. Normally everybody's like that. One side of your face is actually slightly different than the other, so it's totally normal. So like I said, just do the same steps that I did the first time on my first brow and you'll be good.
Shorty wanna be a dancer, run it up, she loving me, hit it even when she got company. I know my baby, she a rider when it come to me. For my baby, I'm gon' slide, she know what's up with me. I got my niggas in the back, they keep it tough for me. And yeah, we heading to the top, that's where we supposed to be.
After I'm done grooming my brows, I'm gonna move on to styling them. I'll be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown with an angled brush. And I'm just going to start off by creating a line following the shape of my brows. I don't really overline them at all. I just follow the natural shape that I created. And yeah, you just fill them in. Don't do them too dark. I hate that look. I just feel like it looks so fake. So I try to just go for the most natural look as possible. And then I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other brow.
Give it to you right, girl, I'm real polite. When you wanna fight, rock your world like Mike. 609-919-732. Nigga, what it do? Yeah, bitch, I'm from the soup. Yeah, money in pursuit, cruising in a fucking coupe. You already know how a young nigga do. I'm a whippy boy and you know that. Like the way she throw that ass and like the way she roll that. Throw that by the ounce of Henny, go ahead and pull that. Get that pussy from the back, she like give me some more that. Replace potential, that they got potential. I been getting money, I be fucking up a mental. Yeah, owning on my wrist, bitch, I'm never in the rental. Shawty, you should come over, just make it plain and simple. Yeah, we could do what you like. Girl, you looking right. Only for the night, we can have some fun. Give it to you right, girl, I'm real polite. When you wanna fight, rock your world like Mike. We could do what you like, girl, you looking right. Only for the night, we can have some fun. Give it to you right, girl, I'm real
The next step is optional, and what I'll be doing here is just applying some eyebrow gel. I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 5. And like I said, this is optional. You don't have to do it. It just keeps your brow hairs in place, adds a little bit more color. This actually has fibers in it, so this is really good for people who have super thin eyebrows, because that way it will make them appear a little bit thicker and fuller. I really like using this on its own and without the dip brow. That's when you want to go for a supernatural look. But like I said, it's optional. You don't have to do it, but that's it. That's how my brows came out. I really love the way that I do my brows. It's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.